Hey there! Today's problem revolves around generating frequency transition tables from longitudinal data in R. We have a data set with IDs, states, and periods, and we aim to extract transitions into frequencies. The data is structured with a start and end state for each ID, and we want to analyze the transitions between states over time. Now, let's dive into the solution provided for this problem. The code snippet uses base R functions to split the data by IDs, create transition pairs, calculate frequencies, and format the output into a data frame with appropriate column names. The key steps involve splitting the data, creating transition pairs, generating a table of transition frequencies, and then reshaping the result into the desired format. This approach showcases the power of base R functions in handling complex data manipulation tasks efficiently. In conclusion, we've explored a neat way to handle longitudinal data in R by generating frequency transition tables using base functions. By following the steps outlined in the solution, you can effectively extract and analyze transitions between states in longitudinal data. Remember, understanding the mechanics behind data manipulation can unlock a world of insights in your analysis. Stay curious, keep coding, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!